a lot of investment in becoming a successful YouTuber, especially in a country like mine where you literally have to pay for every single thing. So I'm not here to discourage you, but I am here actually to motivate you and also let you know the most basic important things that you really need to pay focus to in order for not just making your journey here smooth on YouTube, but also putting you on that right step in getting monetized faster and making a whole lot. So basically what I'm going to be sharing with you in today's video is all my equipment, how I started, what I actually started with, and how much I've spent so far to get every single thing that I am needing. And also, if you are a new creator or you're just starting out on YouTube, I believe this video is really going to help you, because I'm going to be exposing a whole lot, even down to how much I spent in order for me to even get monetized and to be able to be earning here on YouTube. Every single thing I'm going to be sharing with you. So sit back and let's get started. So the first thing that comes first when starting a YouTube channel, that is entering this journey of becoming a great YouTuber, you have to put it in mind that you have to spend money like data. You know, in the country where we live in Nigeria, you have to always pay for data, and I can't even remember how much I have subbed so far on my phone to be able to upload my video. So you have to be ready to get some heartbreak, like you might be uploading your video and all of a sudden everything will just wipe up. So this particular thing, I actually had difficulty in it while starting up. But yeah, it also occurred to me even till now, but I already have it in mind that starting up YouTube, oh, I will spend money, oh, I will do this, or I will do that. So you have to have that at the back of your mind. You're going to spend money just to upload your video. And I'm talking about live streaming, except if you are in the country like US where they have this free Wi-Fi or free network. But if you're in Nigeria and some other African country where MTN, Airtel, and the rest of them, you have to sub. So get it at the back of your mind. I don't know how much I even sub in a week. I'm going to be dropping it on the screen for you guys to know the actual amount I sub in a week, because I literally post every single day on my channel. Sometimes I post 2 videos per day. So that is the first thing. Now going straight to the second thing. The second thing is the kind of phone that I've been using. Starting up here, I actually have my iPhone 7. This is it, and that is what I've been using to film my video a long time now. So but for this my new iPhone, I just got it 2 weeks ago or last week. I even came on live stream to share the good news with you guys. So this iPhone 7 actually have a very good camera. So if you're out there, you're just starting out and you're waiting to get Osmo Pocket 3 camera, or you're out there waiting to get a bigger iPhone 16, you can actually start out with iPhone 7 Pro Max. I could remember a lot of comments on my videos back then, Princess, what kind of camera do you use? And when I say it's iPhone 7, they're just like, are you sure it's iPhone 7? So one good thing is when you're getting an iPhone, make sure that you're going for the original iPhone. Yes, my husband is actually good in that, because a friend of mine also have iPhone 7 and her camera is not as quality as mine. And when I did compare and contrast, I discovered that it's because of mine was actually much more original than hers. So iPhone 7 is will give you a perfect camera. Even till now, I also film sometimes with my iPhone 7. That is if this my phone is actually busy. Yeah. So this was the first thing I was using. I didn't buy it. I had it before starting my YouTube channel. So I've been using the phone before I got this my new phone, and I didn't really buy it like in a new carton way. Like I said to myself, every single new thing I'm buying on this YouTube street, the money have to come from YouTube as a whole. Yeah, so I bought the phone. I didn't really buy it in carton. I bought it as more like a second hand, and I got it for 350k. Yeah, that's what I bought my iPhone 12. That's the amount I got my iPhone 12. So and this is the amount in dollar, and as God may have it, I got the money from YouTube here. Yeah, so don't worry, we're still going to the ending part where I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually make money here even without being monetized. So that is that for the phone that I'm currently using. And if you can see it from the look of things, The camera is actually nice. Yes, camera is quite cool. So now going to tripod stand. I used to use a tripod stand before. I could remember doing a video like that. I think this is the video here. That tripod stand, I got it back then. It's I got it for 12,000. So a friend of mine had to help me ship it from China to Nigeria. That was the tripod stand that I was using. It's a tripod with a ring light. Yeah. So but I was using it and it got so bad. It got so bad, my baby in the house like broke it. So when my baby broke it, I knew that I was making use of a mopping stick to adjust it to the back in order for me to actually film. Yeah, so basically these are the basic things you need as a YouTuber. You need a tripod stand. You need good networking. That is, you have to be ready to always sub your phone. And I have talked about the camera aspects. You need good phone, like good camera. You don't really have to start breaking your bank to going for those bigger iPhones like iPhone 16 and the rest of them. Just go for what you can afford. Even Android. I could remember in one of Vibisona videos, she makes use of Oppo phone, and you can imagine her videos are even so clear. Samsung is there. So there are some lesser phone that you can actually go for and still get that positive result. It's not a must to go for bigger phones. So back to the ring light and the tripod aspect. So that my ring light got so bad, then I had to get new one. I'm going to be dropping it on the screen because right now I am filming from the ring light, so I can't really show you guys. So I got this ring light for 17,000 naira. Yeah, this is it on the screen, the amount in dollar. That's the amount I got the ring light. And if you check it, it has been serving me. Yes, you need ring light because for the first time, the video I posted 2 days ago, I actually made use of the lights because it was very dark and I had to film to upload. So that is why you need a ring light, because sometimes your natural light might fail you, because I mainly film all my videos with natural lights, but sometimes I film with my ring light. So that is the amount of the ring lights. Now I'm going to be going straight to this my baby here, my mic. Yeah, so this mic, it has always been my dream to get a mic. This mic here, it's so super easy and simple to use. If you're out there, you don't know how to like unbox a microphone and use it, drop it in the comment section. Maybe I'll be filming a video on that separately. But this mic, if you ask me what is the name, I don't know the name, but from the look of things, they just wrote wireless microphone on it. Yeah, this is the front and this is the back. So I got this mic for 26,000 naira. Yeah, it's new and like it's really affordable, and also the inside is super beautiful. So I believe you guys can hear me clearly because I am recording this video with the mic. So this is what the inside of the mic look like. This is what the inside look like. You also have this pack where you have, it's actually two mic. I'm filming with one and I'm charging the second one. So this mic is actually very good. If you're looking out to get a good mic, I recommend this. I highly recommend this one because you guys can hear me well. It also comes with charger and the rest of them. So that is for the mic. So basically these are what I've been able to get so far in order for my content creation journey to be much more easier. And before I even got this mic, you all know how I used to shout. Like back then I'll be like, hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you about, so you guys know that I was always screaming, shouting so that people can hear me well. And at the end of the day, I will always go to my CapCut to adjust my volume. But recently I don't do all those things. I don't even shout. Like I'll just be on my own, seated down, relax and be talking, whether there is noise at the background. One good thing about this mic is that this mic doesn't capture all those background noise, so you have a lot of enjoyment like when it comes to using a mic to film your video. Like it's so relaxing. I'm just speaking like I'm talking with a best friend on the phone. So that is that for the mic. And that is all I've been able to get so far for my content creation journey. And you all know my little beginnings, so don't just feel, oh, because I don't have this, yeah, I know some of my budget soon, which I'm still praying to Almighty God to actually do it for me, is I really need to get a laptop. Yes, I need a laptop in order for me to be able to edit my videos, because the minute I am done shooting and posting and editing, I go ahead to delete my videos, which is actually not good. So I'm looking up to God to achieve that. And what else? Osmo. Yes, Osmo Pocket 3 camera. I actually need that too, to ease my content creation journey. So if you're out there and God put it in your heart, don't put, do it for your baby girl. Yes, yes, you can also do it for your baby girl. So basically these are the basic things that I've gotten so far and their amounts. Now going to when you get monetized, I displayed a dollar earlier on, so I'm going to be showing you guys the usefulness of that dollar. So that dollar is actually $1. I actually got it when I went to buy my dollar that I'll be using to open a domiciliary account. That is, if you're monetized on YouTube, you need to have a domiciliary account. And I've done a video on that. This is the video here on how to create a domiciliary account with the right bank. So you can always go ahead to watch that video. So I got that dollar for 167,000 naira. So have you guys seen that content creation is not easy, like especially on YouTube, because you have to spend money. You have to spend money to get money. Yeah, and that is how it is in real life, because if you are a businessman, you have to put money into the business for you to get money back. Yeah. So regarding to what I said, that I'm going to be discussing with you guys on how you can actually make money here on YouTube. That is how I've been able to make money here on YouTube without getting paid directly from the revenue, is by doing online course, like online classes. And before you even do that, you have to make sure that you know what you are doing. You have to make sure that, oh, I am sure if this student comes and sign up for my classes, I'll be able to deliver. Because you can't just sign up for my class and you won't get something out of it. I will teach you every single thing, and I'll make sure you start to see changes before the class even ends. So that is why it's like I have a lot of students, yes, because I am really, really good at what I'm doing. So this is me simply motivating you. If you're starting out, don't just go straight to that class aspect. First of all, build your audience, build your ground. I have a female friend. She actually own a cooking channel here, and she teach how to cook online. She have a Telegram group. People are paying over 20K for 1 week, and she just started her YouTube channel last year January. So a lot of people here are making money. They're making millions of naira even without hitting that monetization. So don't dull low. You have to take the bull by its horn. Just make sure that you're doing the right thing, no matter any niche. Is it computer, whatever niche at all, there are people out there that want to learn, like students are out there. Because even myself, I need some editing classes to also attend, and if God helps, I come across a good channel who know how to edit, I'll pay. Since it's online, then I'll go for it. So this is one of the ways I've been able to make money offline here, and believe me, you guys will not believe how much I've made so far just from doing simple tutorials. So guys, this video is getting too long, so these are the basic things that I've been using, and with God on my side, it has been going smoothly. So if you're planning to start up a YouTube channel, always use me as a motivation. Yeah, the journey is never easy. Let nobody deceive you. The journey is never easy. But one good thing that I used to tell my subscribers and my family is, just make sure that no matter what happens, you're not giving up. Because gone, there were times I actually wanted to delete this my channel and give up, but it was just that motivation that kept me going. So sometimes you will have low views, sometimes you post, nobody will watch it, no subscriber adding. Just make sure that you say to yourself, I can do this, and you see yourself doing it. Okay, YouTube is not easy, but you can actually make it easy. Do the basic thing, fix your settings. If you need videos on that, just go through my channel. A lot of videos are there to actually put you on the right track on this YouTube street. Okay, and believe me when I say I got you. Yes, I got you. So if you watched to this extent, please do well to subscribe to my channel, to be a member, because I literally share every single thing with you. Like this particular video, comment and share most importantly, so that it can get to a whole lot of people. And bye bye guys, and see you in my next video. Drop me your comments. What do you think? What is your say? The phone, did I get it too expensive? The mic, was it too expensive? And my ring light. So let me know your thoughts. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Mwah.